In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily hide and unhide rows and columns in Microsoft Excel, perfect for beginners. These simple techniques can make a big difference in how you manage and view your data. Whether you're dealing with extra calculations or data you don't always need to see, learning to hide and unhide parts of your worksheet can keep everything clean and easy to navigate. To start with, let's look at how you can hide a row. First, click on any cell within the row you'd like to hide. This will select the entire row. Now here's a great shortcut for you. Simply press Ctrl+9 on your keyboard, and just like that, the row disappears. Excel does a little shuffling. It shifts the other rows up, and the numbering gets adjusted automatically. This keeps your sheet looking neat and organized without you having to delete anything. Now, if you ever want to bring that hidden row back into view, it's quite straightforward. Begin by highlighting the rows above and below the missing one. Once you have them highlighted, press Ctrl+Shift+9. This will make the hidden row pop right back into place. If you're not quite sure which row is hidden, just look for a gap in the row numbers. Excel leaves this little clue to help you out. Next, let's move on to hiding columns. The process is very similar to hiding rows. Click on a cell inside the column you wish to hide. Once selected, press Ctrl+0 and voila! The column vanishes from view. This trick is particularly helpful when you want to temporarily remove extra details like helper columns or background data. You don't need cluttering your screen. Of course, to unhide that column, you'll need to take a slightly different approach. Highlight the columns on either side of the one that's hidden. Then press Ctrl+Shift+0 and the column will reappear as if it had never left. Just a quick heads up, if this shortcut doesn't work on your system, it might be due to a Windows setting blocking it, so you may want to check your keyboard settings or regional layout. Let's have a quick recap on these shortcuts. To hide a row, use Ctrl+9. To unhide a row, the shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+9. For hiding a column, press Ctrl+0. And to unhide a column, it's Ctrl+Shift+0. These shortcuts are game changers when it comes to organizing large spreadsheets. They help you focus on the data that truly matters at the moment. And that's all there is to it. By mastering these basic Excel tools, you can make your workflow faster, more focused, and a lot more organized. Give it a try next time your worksheet feels cluttered. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy Excel tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!